Well, hey everybody, I'm Paul Gross with an update on a pretty active weather pattern through the end of the week. Now we have a warm front, that's the front edge of an even steamier air mass coming through the area this morning. And you'll notice as it comes through, there are a few scattered light showers. There could be a thunderstorm, but the coverage is not very widespread. So we're in at least reasonable shape from a substantial rain threat this morning. Now, as we get into the afternoon though, and we get warmer, notice that we start to bubble up some thunderstorms, and that continues into the evening hours. And some of those storms are going to produce very torrential rain, but the thing is they're moving, so it's not going to stay over one spot for very long and create massive flood problems. But there could be a localized area if you get a quick 3/4 of an inch of rain. Some areas could get a little bit of localized flooding, but not widespread. And then as this cold front comes through, we're going to see all of this stuff move out, and we'll have a dry back half of the night into a mainly dry Wednesday. Now, the severe risk for today, the Storm Prediction Center still has it on the east side, but I still think all of us are at risk for at least a strong wind gust with any torrential downpour that does develop. Now, we're in the clear for tomorrow, but notice a pretty substantial risk back to the west. However, as that complex moves our way, it will weaken a bit. So our risk on Thursday from a severe standpoint is marginal. But that's not the only thing we have to worry about. It's not just the severe risk. Here on a wider view on Thursday, we're going to have that complex coming across. There could be a shower or storm in the morning, but there's a better chance for this stuff to develop on Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. And this is a slow-moving front. And so we're going to see wave after wave of storms coming through into Friday. So that creates a flood threat. Some of the models suggest 1 to 2 inches of rain, and just depends where any of those big clusters of storms go. There could even be a little more in some spots. So for today, 82 degrees. And again, what pops up this afternoon will certainly be more widespread than what we've seen this morning, but still it'll be scattered activity, and the wind will be from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour behind that warm front. Tomorrow, again, we should get a break. 85 for the high, upper 80s to near 90, and very steamy on Thursday with, as I just talked about, not only a severe threat, but also a flood threat Thursday late in the afternoon through Friday. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Now, as far as the weekend, I've got one model, but it's the European model, that says we're going to get rain Saturday. 3 other models say it's going to move through and we're not going to get rain Saturday. So right now I've got us dry, but check back with us tomorrow because we'll see which model actually pans out. But regardless of what happens Saturday, we'll dry out on Sunday with a mostly sunny day. And I think we have mainly dry weather well into next week.